welcome to part 2 of the series. So here we will start in the part 2, which will be based on the part 2 of my blog series. So let's get started. So what we will do, there is a style tag. Let me copy this. It's a bootstrap class, so let me copy this, and let me come to the public directory, index.html. There are a lot of things in this. Let me clear it a bit for you. Let me paste it here, this bootstrap class. Something is wrong, I think. Yeah, something is wrong because of the copy paste. Let me fix this. So let's see, this is what happens when you copy paste. Okay, so I did this. Okay, so before moving forward, we have to install and think through npm, which will help us hit the YouTube API. So let us install that, and that is known as the YouTube API search. So let me copy this. I think it is copied. Then let me head over to my terminal. Let me close it. Oh, it was not copied. My mistake. Now it is copied. Let me paste it and let me install it. So let it get installed. We will start with our coding. So we will move to our app.js, and here let us first import it. YT into the YouTube API search. After that, we will have a import to the video list component. So we had already created that video list component. It is here, this video list component from dot components video list. Let me close it. So we have imported all the things. Now let's have a constructor here also. Constructor and constructor props. As I have told in the earlier part, this is a bit old way of doing React, but this series is also old and we should know the old way also. We'll do a super props, and we will have a state variable, this dot state equal to, we will have a video state variable which will be an array. Then we will call a function from here itself, which will be known as video search, and it will have a default thing. Because this is a React tutorial, let me pass this. Now we will create that function here. video search, there will be a search term. This React tutorials which are passing here, it will be the search term. For the first time, the constructor only gets called one time. Okay, so after that, this YT search which we are importing from YouTube API search, let me see if it is completed. Yeah, it is completed. Let me do a npm start. I don't know why it always takes me to Chrome. I don't want Chrome. So it is, yeah, it is there. So YT search, it will take a parameter as key. No, it will take a object as key. Key will be the API key which we have created in the part 1. Term, use your own API key for this. Search term will be the search term which is getting passed to this function. Then we will get back something from this API call which we are calling as data. Let's do a console.log of data to see if we are getting something, and then this dot set state we will do. Yeah, our not video, let us call it videos, because there are many videos in here. When we do a search, an array of videos will get returned. Videos and data. Now let us go back and here let us add it later on. Let us see if it's working, and we are getting something back. So we'll go here, inspect element, go to the console. What happened? Yeah, let me refresh it. Yeah, we are getting the data back, see. And since we're passing nothing and we have even not updated our search bar, so it is coming to the constructor, and this constructor triggering React tutorials which is going to the YT search, taking the API, the search term, and it is returning back as the data. So let us see the data. Yeah, we are getting some kind of YouTube video back, but this is a YouTube ID, I know. And yeah, programming tutorial with Mosh, the most popular React tutorial. Yeah, we are getting everything back, so it's time to pass it to the video list. So after the search bar, video list will pass a props as videos. So this is different from the state videos, and this will pass as this dot state dot videos, and close it. It is not VD list, it is video list. Now we will go to our video list.js. This time we will create a functional component, because even in the older time we used to have functional component, and we used to give functional component to those component which didn't have a state in those times. Now we have hooks, but at those time we didn't have hooks. So we will create a functional component as video list. So this name is wrong, so we'll give it video list, and export default video list. Here we will get the props, so we are adding that props. Now let use a different way which is there in React. We will create a function which will return the items, and then we will show it inside the return statement. Let me show how we will do that. Const video items equal to props dot videos. The props which I get, these videos props which we are getting, props dot videos, we are then will dot map through it, and let me call it video singular, because it will map to each and every videos. Then give some space here, return we will be returning a video list item. This we are going to create soon. The key will be, as you might know, in React, if you map through something, it should be unique. So what should be the key? The key should be video dot e tag, and the video will be video. Wait a sec, I will show you this e tag. Oh well, let me complete it. I will show you after that. Then let unordered list, let us pass, and let me show before this video item we'll be showing it here. So this is a way in React to do it. Means this video item, what will be the output, it will be shown here inside the JSX. So let's give class name. We imported Bootstrap in the beginning of this tutorial, so let's use some Bootstrap classes, md4, and it will be a list group. Now import, we have to import this also, video list item from video list item came up, video list item. So now quickly create this video list item. So this is video list item. This will be also initially a functional component, because we don't have any state here. Also we are just displaying it. So the name will be video list item, export default video list item, then again this props is getting passed, which is a single video. Props is getting passed, which is actually a single video. So const video equal to props dot video, let's do a console.log of video also. We'll see what it is coming here. Let me write video list item so it doesn't fails. We have something to render. We'll soon show it. Let us first see whether it is working. So from app we are sending videos. In the video list we are mapping through it the props and passing a single video. And the video list item we are soon going to display it, but let's first see. Yeah, we are getting those 5 videos. Let me open my console. See, this is coming from app.js and this is from video list, so we are getting each of them from here. One more thing which I wanted to show is this e tag, which I told you that we are passing it here as key, video.e tag, which is unique for each one of them. So now video list item, it's just HTML and CSS, this video list item. So inside every unordered list there is a list item, so this will be the list item. So let's go list item. Let's give a class name also. List group item. These all are bootstrap classes. Even this one which we use, these are all bootstrap classes. Remove this. After this, div, the class name is video list media. Inside this we will have another div, in fact 2 divs. So class name of media left, let's have a image tag, class name equal to media object, src will be a image. src will be, I will show you what, if you go inside each one of them, so this is one video. So we are, let us go inside it. One video we are going inside it, video, then there is a snippet we are going, then there are thumbnails. We are going to thumbnails, then default, and then URL. So if I click on it, it is a thumbnail of the whole video, so we are getting this. So instead of writing the whole thing here, let me write it here: const image URL equal to video dot as snippet dot thumbnails dot default dot URL, and we will use this here. And let's have a body also, class name equal to media body, then div, another div, class name equal to media heading. We're just displaying the title, video dot snippet dot title. Let me show you what it is: video dot snippet dot title, this title. So everything, if everything is right, then everything will work. So let us see. Yeah, everything is right. So all of the things are working now. The links are not clickable. We are just getting everything. So we will do that in the next part. So this completes our part 2. See you soon in part 3. Thank you.